All right, I'm here with Dolores Beck, 85-year-old tennis professional, musician. She just got back from New York visiting her family. How you doing?
Wonderful. So good to see you again, Tom.
Good to see you too. So, what are you up to? What have you been doing? What are you eating? What are you playing, music-wise? And how much tennis are you playing? 3 questions.
No, there were more than 3.
Oh, more than 3?
Okay, what am I up to? Well, seems like I'm doing a lot of stringing. I've become a tennis stringer. I work for a local place, and I'm stringing many, many rackets. And I love that because I know a lot about the equipment now. Okay. Nutrition-wise, I always eat to feel good, and it's great. And since I'm not on court as much as I'd like to, I've gained a few extra pounds, but I don't worry about that. I'll just take it off.
You'll burn that off today.
Thank you.
So what are we going to do today for a tennis workout? What do you want to do?
I still love very much the positioning when you hit a ball that I set up correctly and the ball is at the right distance so that I can strike it in front of me, move it, and follow through.
Okay, good, good.
I was in New York, and I learned some new things, especially about the volleys. It has to do with footwork.
Footwork, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Rod Laver said you volley with your feet, right?
Yes.
Yeah. She played in Central Park, too, right?
Yeah, I did.
That must have been fun.
Oh, it was fun. It was very windy and everything. I played in my...
Hard true courts?
Yes, we played on hard true.
Yeah.
And then I played in New Jersey with my younger son who lives there, who's a great player. And they were hard courts.
Hard courts.
But it's really nice at my age, and my sons are in their very early 50s, that I can still get out on court and rally with them.
Rally with them.
Oh,
nice,
so
nice.
Nice feeling. Right. And with you too, Tom.
Dolores, you're an inspiration to a lot of people out there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey,
so we're going to go through a little routine. We'll do a little bit of everything.
Whatever,
okay?
Throw everything at me.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Everything but the kitchen sink.
That's right. You're my best partner in tennis.
All right. The inspiration, Dolores, is going to keep coming back.
Thank you, Tom.
And showing us her new skills. Today, we worked a little bit on her backhand, on her two-hander, and we're hoping to get a little more topspin and help her to be able to deal with balls that are hit high to her backhand side. So that's going to be a work in progress, and we'll show you the results.
We will, Tom.
All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, post any questions or comments below, and hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime we put up another video. So I'm going to go fruit up. You know, I love my fruit, so I got to go have some, maybe some watermelon, I don't know.
Yeah, I had grapes, and what other fruit did I have?
Grapes, the grapes are good, really
I had
good.
another fruit. See, that's the head. I can't remember. Oh, bananas.
Bananas. Okay, good. Bananas are my staple. They're the best. So, fruit up, everyone, and take care. Bye-bye. Say goodbye, Dolores.
Oh, goodbye, everybody.
All right.